Hello students, today we are going to learn some important aspects about the professional documents, that is CV and cover letter. And also in this lecture we are going to learn the difference between curriculum vitae and resume. Curriculum vitae is a Latin word which means the course of life, whereas resume is a French word which means summary. In short, curriculum vitae is a detailed document, resume is a short document. So in resume, we can add our work experience, achievements, awards, coursework, research projects, publication. So it is a detailed document of your academic credential, experience, everything. Whereas a resume is a short summary of all your academic credential. In some countries, both resume and CV are interchangeable, but whereas in some countries it is not interchangeable. So in this case, you should know when to send resume, when to send CV. So whenever the employers are advertising, they will clearly mention whether you have to send resume or curriculum vitae. Accordingly, you can prepare your either CV or resume. Some important points you have to remember. Yes, you have to use desirable font size, desirable paper for print. You have to print in a legible paper. Uh, Always do a proofread before taking printout. Other to these points while preparing for resume. You should always use keywords while preparing for the resume because nowadays the employers are using AI in order to shortlist the resumes. So in that case, AI will look only for objectives or keywords. So in that case, you have to highlight your objective and you have to highlight your keywords that fits for your job. For example, you are applying for assistant professor job. You have to highlight your research publication, projects, experience. So these keywords you have to highlight and also always try to understand the clear objective of that particular job. Accordingly, you prepare your resume. We need not overwrite any information in the resume. Whatever information is necessary, you include only that. And also keep the resume up to date. That is very important. Incorporate all the new learning experience and also mention name of the reference. When you are mentioning name of the reference, always inform the concerned person. You should avoid uh, following pitfalls because uh, don't write too much of information in the resume. Don't write any unrealistic things in the resume. Avoid jargon, slangs. Don't make any colorful resume. It is not at all colorful. It is not at all innovative. So whatever desirable colors you use only that in the resume. There are types of resume. First one is chronological resume. Second one is functional resume. Chronological resume in one. Um, for example, where we use common information, experience, or education qualification, everything in order chronologically. So it clearly explains how well you are planned for your career. Whereas functional resume, when you want to prioritize your skill set, you can use functional resume. For example, you are a fresher, you don't have any experience. So in that case, you can prioritize your skill set. So in that case, functional resume is quite helpful. And also when you are switching over the career. So in that case also your previous skill sets are not at all necessary for the new job. In that case, you can prepare functional resume. Next one is cover letter. So every resume needs a good effective cover letter. So whereas in resume we will be mentioning um, all the important information, your qualification, whereas in cover letter We can say it is a persuasive letter where you are persuading your employer that you are the right fit for the job, how interested you are for the job, how well you are qualified, why you are the right fit for the job. So you will be persuading through the words. So that is why every cover letter is called as persuasive letter. Sometimes everyone have same qualification. In that case, your cover letter decides why you are the right fit for the job. You have to explain all your interest, how well you fit into the job. So everything you have to mention. That is why your cover letter provides important information that your resume is not able to communicate. Every resume needs an effective cover letter. So next time when you're preparing resume and cover letter, please remember all these points and avoid the errors. Prepare your resume and cover letter in an effective way. Thank you.